And it'll automatically take that off when I hit the gas, or no?
I believe so.
Let's find out.
I usually just like...
Yep, yeah. Okay, cool.
And then you're in drive dynamic now. If you want to go in like actual sport mode, just hit the thing back once.
Okay.
Just push it back once. You'll see like D2 is there. It'll change to S1 once you like really want it in dynamic or sport.
All right, this is the 2018 Audi RS3. I've been pretty excited about this car for a while because it was kind of the answer to the, I don't want to say budget because it's still about $65,000 when you're all in, but it gives you something that gives you a small enough car in M2 territory, and it's, I think, just the right package. I've been less and less impressed with BMW's M Division and AMG lately because they're just going power crazy, and it's super fun to have, 600 horsepower in a big sedan. But there's something to be said about a well-balanced car that you can actually use. So let's take this for a little drive and see how it goes. If you're interested in more commentary on the car, go ahead and check out my channel, Tedward Drives. But for now, let's enjoy the RS3. Got it. That's interesting. It gets the revs up. It's ready to go.
Oh, yeah.
Is this currently the harshest setting on the mag ride?
Yes.
Let's put it into comfort.
Sorry, no, this is comfort.
Okay, so this is comfort.
So if you want the harshest, then just like...
So if I go down on this, it'll bring me to the harshest?
Exactly.
Okay. So I see you put HREs on here. Are you still on the stock tire size?
So I'm on 245/35s, Michelin Pilot Sports.
Okay.
So the tire, or the OEM wheels actually come staggered from factory. So in the fronts, they are 255/30 Pirelli P0s, with I believe 19 by 9.5 in the fronts. And then in the rears, they give you the P0s 235/35, and it's 19 by 8 in the rear.
Okay.
For wheel size. I didn't go staggered just because for me it was kind of somewhat similar drivability, but the main reason for them staggering the wheels is to kind of also counteract that understeer that
Sure.
Audi's known for.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna get a little straight up here. I like the way it's downshifting for me before a corner.
Yep.
The most dangerous corner in all of the state. All right. Let's see what this exhaust gives us. In manual mode, will it hit the limiter if I don't upshift? Or will it upshift at the red line?
It should upshift at the red line.
All right, we'll find out. It upshifts. This is more than enough car. What I will say, definitely you need to be aware of the front end when you're turning it. There's,
Exactly. Yep.
you know, pretty characteristic hint of understeer, but it's really approachable and you expect it. It's not really a surprise. If you were to go up a little bit on the tire size or just put something stickier on it, I'm sure to dial that out quite a bit. But holy cow, this thing is quick.
Yeah. Yep.
It's a lot more car than I expected it to be honest.
Yeah, the power band, like even when you just gun it, there's just so much more left to go. Like, it just keeps going, you know. Whereas like with the S3, you'd kind of reach that limit a little bit. And this, it just kind of is limitless, especially around these kind of roads.
And you don't get the amazing sound of this inline 5-cylinder with the S3.
Oh, for sure.
This sounds really good. This is still considered DSG, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so this DSG gearbox, the thing I like a lot about DSG over DCT is the fact that it's downshifting for me before I approach the corner. So if I'm coming down like this, it's downshifting for me. It's not waiting for that gear to get to idle before it gives me a gear. So this gearbox is a lot more predictive the way it works.
Yeah.
That's always been a good thing for DSG.
Yeah, lightning quick shifts. Pretty much power on demand.
We'll be polite.
Looks like we made a friend back of us then.
There's always a GT86, FRS, whatever that wants to play. I'm just impressed the car has legs. This is both a fun little car to toss in, a little bit of understeer, characteristic of Audi, but as we're about to find out, this can hang on the highway.
Yep. Oh, for sure.
Give ourselves some room in case he gets on. Brakes are pretty confidence-inspiring, that's for sure.
Yes. Non-carbon ceramic, so steel brakes. The carbon ceramic package, so if you go with the Dynamic Plus package, you get 74 mile an hour limiter, or increase in the odometer, or speedometer. You get the carbon ceramic brakes, and you get what they call a fixed sport suspension. So it deletes the mag ride.
Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you're interested in more on this Audi RS3, go ahead over, click the link, and follow it to Tedward Drives. Thanks again.